Hey guys, welcome back to Asidas. And today we are going to break a bulb open and see what's inside. It's already a blown bulb. It stopped working today. So instead of throwing it out, I decided to break it open and see what's inside. Here we have the branding Bajaj, made in India. It's a very old bulb, guys. Here in India, we call these type of bulbs as 0 watt bulbs, which is not exactly 0 watt, but we used to call it like that because of its very little power consumption. Can you hear it? It must be the broken filament. Let's break it and see what's inside. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video or not, but there is a light smoke coming out here. It must be the inert gases. Here you guys can see few thin support wires, two thick contact wires, and there's no filament between the contact wires. Guess that's the reason the bulb stopped working. Okay then, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys. Bye.